Hi, good afternoon. My name is Ashley. So I wanted to go over a couple of things here. I want to talk about some services that we offer and talk about what you could be looking for and so on. So to start, I went and Googled HVAC Roanoke, Virginia, and this area right here is what's called the Map Pack. And the top 3 listed here are the ones that receive a lot of work because they're super easy to find and they're listed right away. And the way you get yourself into these top 3 is by first, having a Google business profile. Second, filling it out as much as possible with the name, the hours, phone number, photos, making sure everything's filled out. And third is putting your business name, address, and phone number into as many online directories as possible. And directories are things like Yelp and Yellow Pages. And having your information in those online directories are really going to help power your profile. Now, the websites listed below here, these are what's called the organic search, and the same things apply. You want to be on the front page and ideally within the top 3 so that people can find you. So I pulled up your webpage and just going over some things here real quick. The main thing that you want to do with your site is you want to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words on there. And this is for a couple of reasons. And the first reason being is that if your competitors have about 1,000 words, then you're going to want to have at least 1,500 words because you want to beat out how much content your competitor has. And the second reason is that Google has what we call crawlers that go through, they read the content of the website and try and figure out what services your business offers, what areas you serve, and the more content that you have on the site, the more of an expert you're going to look like in Google's eyes. And then within the content, you want to have keywords. And keywords are things that people are searching for. So for example, how I Googled HVAC Roanoke, Virginia, if you have that all over your website, it's going to become really relevant for that search. And Google's going to be more willing to put your website higher to the top. So when you look at your website, it's really important to make sure you have enough content on there and the keywords throughout, and that'll really help your website rank. So I want to pull up one of the competitors in the area, and I have a paid program that I use, and I put them in there just to kind of see what you're up against. And I put in right now WC Butler, and I wanted to go over a couple things here real quick. And the first thing I wanted to talk about was the UR and the DR ratings, because these are super important where you fall within the Google search results. And a UR rating is essentially a trust rating with Google, and the DR rating is a power rating with Google. And so these numbers are looking at the overall site, how powerful it is, how trustworthy it is. And the higher up they are, the more powerful the site is, and the better it's going to rank in the search results. And one of the ways that you can increase these numbers is through a thing called a backlink. And all a backlink is, it's just a shout out from another website that's endorsing you and sending a link back to your site through a clickable text. And then what we can do is we can click on the ones they have, go through those, get those for your website, and then get additional ones as well. And the last thing I want to talk about was the organic keywords in the content that I had mentioned before. So pulling up the keywords for WC Butler and focusing on the volume column just to kind of give you an idea of what keywords people are looking for in a month. Starting off, heating and air Roanoke, 90 people are looking for that a month. Air conditioning maintenance near me, 1,300 people are searching for that in a month. What I typed in, HVAC Roanoke VA, 200 people are searching for that. But it's really important to get in front of these people, and if you're able to get in front of more people that are searching for these terms, the more people are going to find you, and the more people are going to call, and in turn, the more business you're going to land. So I hope this information was helpful, and I look forward to speaking with you and discussing opportunities. So take care and have a great rest of your day.